Hi, I'm Dan and welcome to Awesome English. Our learning objective today is to learn about proper nouns. Now these are nouns with a capital letter. Now today we're going to use M.I.N.T.S to help us. Let's get moving. Alright, let's check in on our awesome checklist for today's lesson. It's our roadmap to success. These are the objectives we want to achieve. So the first one is to be able to know what a proper noun is. Then to know that proper nouns start with a capital letter. And then to be able to know that they are specific people, places, or things. And then finally to be able to use the awesome acronym M.I.N.T.S to help you. Let's get learning. So what is a proper noun? So a proper noun is of course a noun. Now if you haven't checked out our video on nouns, I suggest you do that first. So a proper noun is a specific people, place or thing. Now a city is not a proper noun, it's not specific. But if we were to write the city Shanghai or New York, then that is a specific city and needs a capital letter and is a proper noun. Now there's an awesome trick we can use to identify, is it a noun or is it a proper noun? It's called M.I.N.T.S. Let's check it out. Alright, so have you ever eaten one of these bad boys? It's called a mint. Now they're delicious. They're made from sugar and it's spelled M.I.N.T.S. Now we have an awesome acronym for M.I.N.T.S that helps us know whether it's a proper noun. Let's check it out. Alright, so M stands for months, days or holidays. These nouns all need a capital letter. So months, January, February, March, April, May, they start with a capital letter. Days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you got it, capital letter. Then holidays, things like Halloween, Christmas, New Year, they need a capital letter too. Let's check out what I means. So I stands for the letter I, as in the pronoun I, as in John and I are hungry. You need to use a capital letter. The next one is N, and that stands for names. So specific names, not general names. Jack and Jill live in Singapore. Jack, Jill and Singapore are all specific names and need a capital letter. Let's check out T. So T stands for title. Titles of books. It could be titles of movies or even titles of people. For example, Dr. Smith watched Batman while Mrs. Jackson read the book called Apex Predators. These are all capital letters for these specific titles. Let's check out S. So S stands for the start of a sentence. Now you should know that one. We use a capital letter for the first word in the start of a new sentence. All right, let's check out more. Okay, now it's time for some independent learning. You should now know that a proper noun is a specific people, place or thing. You now know the awesome strategy of M.I.N.T.S to help you identify if it's a proper noun. So over to you. Go and do some independent learning. Go do a piece of writing and check whether you need to capitalize certain letters. Maybe you want to read a book and look through the book and see if you can spot some proper nouns. Over to you. Remember, practice makes progress. I'll see you next time and remember to stay awesome.